Hi everyone, so today we're back in Benidorm, just across the road from the hotel Cabello de Oro. Just there, Tommy's bar just on the road. Other apartments as well, just on the corner. And of course, Rio Park Hotel just there behind us. And just on that road there, the Lucky Hollow too, as well as Duty Free Bar there. I'll take a walk up on this side actually. Another beautiful day in Benidorm, even though me and Dad's not brought jumpers out. I thought I needed to sneeze. Sort of in like a residential / holiday sort of area around here. Do have the Frissamar apartments just there. Apparently they're meant to be quite nice, but I don't feel our fans stay there and say it's a normal apartment block and more residential block just there. I will tell you what road we're on in a minute, once I get by the sign. Do have some more sort of holiday that block stand that sort of slight road as well. Yeah. So we're on Avenida de Quenzo at the moment on Calais Larida. You do of course have Frissamar apartments and some more apartments what are at the bottom, but with the Frissamar I'm not too sure if they got like a swimming pool or out. Did they?
Oh yeah, at the back there, I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm sure someone said they had a swimming pool. Anyway, the area you're in, you're not too far from the strip or town or the beach or, yeah, as Mike's just said, Sunday market. Do have a car park there as well. Don't know how you get in. Oh God. Yeah, not feeling 100% today. Coming down with a cold. And also on our outing on Sunday, I wrapped me leg. I mean, not Sunday, Monday, wasn't it?
Yep, it was.
I wrapped me bloody leg off the chair on the bus.
With me when I fell over.
No, which has actually give it quite a bruise. Anyway, little shot there. You made that while you're staying around here. Also, got the Titanic bar. Yeah, we haven't been in there yet, but from reviews we've heard, the food there is actually quite good. Think they do cheap food from English breakfasts to pizza.
Have a look.
No, I'm alright here. Takeaway available as well, so if you are fancying maybe like a pizza and a pint on your balcony at your apartment. You can do that. Not too sure what's going on with the software over the road. That's been shut since about lockdown, actually. Then, of course, just here is another part of the sort of Sandos Benidorm group, the Sandos Monaco Streets. Not to be confused with the Sandos. Stop again. Not to be confused with the Hotel Sandos Monaco. But that is the Sandos Monaco Streets. Look quite nice. Huge pool area as well. Pool bar as well. Look at what a nice set of apartments, to be fair. I mean, yeah, they are sort of at the way in an area which is not too far from Gypsy Lane, so possibility of a few muggings going on up in this area. Just got to keep your wits about you, really. But not a bad area. Car garage as well there. Not what next door to apartments. Imagine that will be noisy then. Weird sort of stick formation on top of that tree. Done the branches up into like a weird sort of shape. Just the back of Flamingo Beach Resort, you have the Flamingo Blue Moon Bar, which, yeah, I don't think that's open yet. From what I've been told, it's like a sort of cocktail bar this bit, so should be nice when it is open. There, of course, is the reception for the Sandos Benidorm Streets. And, of course, as we come on to Calais Esperanto, I will just quickly show you the reception of the Flamingo Beach. Now, yeah, I believe it's that building there, I think. I'm not too sure. Anyway, I've heard mixed reviews on it. Some people are saying it's an alright hotel, but some people say, well, like the food's not really too great. Not really catered to the Brits.
Not really any bad reports back yourself.
Oh. I mean, probably one of them things that I can't say much about it because I haven't stayed there ever. So until I stay there, I'm just going off what I hear. There it is, there, and just look quite a nice sort of hotel. TUI owned, I believe. Swimming pool round the back with a beach bar. Little cafe, then cash point out front. Probably not the best cash point though. Think it's one of the ones that charges you over the top prices to get money out. Yeah, if you want to get money out, I will suggest going to, say, a bank like Cakes a Bank or something, because I mean, I don't think there is a charge, and even if there is,
$150, no matter how much you get out.
yeah, I think it's a $150 charge, whereas I mean, most cash points we've used, that can be anywhere from like €180 to €5.
Now I've heard €20 what has been charged out some of these.
Ooh, bit pricey. Anyway, Flamingo Beach Resort Hotel, that is it. See you in the next one. It don't really look like a hotel, does it? Looks more like apartments. I mean,
Library.
there's no balconies on it, so.
There is. They're on
Oh, right,
that
yeah.
side.
Anyway, hit the like, smash subscribe. I'll see you soon. Adios.